Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today's video is a clean with me, doing some small house chores, and just thought I'd bring you along. I'm also doing a grocery haul, so stay tuned for that. I really hope that after watching this, you feel motivated to do some cleaning as well. And feel free if you'd like to watch this video while you do some cleaning and we can clean together. Thanks for watching, guys. So like I said earlier, this video, I'm just doing some house chores. I'm not doing anything too deep, but I'm just doing some dusting and vacuuming and cleaning some bathrooms. So first off, I'm starting in what we call our game room. This room has a lot more uses than just a game room. It's kind of our music room / craft room / office. Anything we can use it for, that's what we call it. But starting in here today, my sister's having some friends over and they'll probably hang out in this room, so I'm getting it ready for them. And then later tonight, we're gonna grill some burgers and just hang out and have a great time. We have so been enjoying these last few weeks of summer and just soaking it all in, enjoying the pool and the barbecues and no school for the kids, but we are looking forward to fall too. I am so ready for fall. It is seriously one of my favorite seasons. I think just because it gets me in such a cozy feeling, cozy mood that I just want to get on the couch and bundle up and read a book. And I'm usually not like that, only in the fall time, so I'm super excited for that. And I have a fall decorating video that will be coming out soon, and I'm so excited for you guys to see that. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed and you have that notification bell on, so when that video comes out, you can watch it. If you notice, we have a little bit of a cluttered mess over there behind the desk. We are getting ready to do a project in our house to do some decorating in a certain area that I hope to video soon, so stay tuned for that. If you've been watching my cleaning videos very long, you will notice that we have a ton of family pictures around our house. We love having family pictures taken, and we have a very dear friend of ours who is an amazing photographer, and we always tease that we are her personal photography exhibit. So all but one of the family portraits you see in our house are taken by her, and she is amazing. In fact, we have some new family pictures that we just have received from her, and you'll be seeing those very soon because we're going to get those put up all around the house too. If you'd be interested to follow more of my day-to-day life, you can head over to Instagram and follow me there. It's Courtney's_lens, and I'd love to be friends with you there, as well as here on YouTube. So here I'm using my mom's cordless Dyson vacuum, and I seriously love this thing. It is such a game changer, especially when you're just trying to do a quick clean. You don't have to pull the big vacuum out and plug everything in. It's just nice and easy to do a quick vacuum job. And then my favorite part of finishing a room is to light a candle and turn all the lamps on, and it feels so nice and cozy in there and just nice and inviting. So now moving on to our grocery haul. We went to Sam's Club and we did a Sam's Club pickup. So here are all of our groceries from Sam's Club. So we got some hickory smoked bacon We always like to have this on hand for breakfast. And then we got a Take and Bake pizza. We love their pizzas. They're nice and quick for an easy dinner. And then we got some hamburger buns for the burgers we're gonna have later. And then these baguette breads, we like to pair them with this jalapeno artichoke dip. It's super yummy. We love that. And then we got some red grapes. Those are just really nice to have on hand in the summertime. And then we got some beef. And then we also got chicken breast as well. And then here is our Walmart pickup order. And we got some onion dip mix, beans, green beans, and then some pasta for macaroni salad. And then some chicken broth, nice to have on hand. We got some tomato soup, some whole dill pickles, lemon juice. My sister loves lemon juice. Then we got some sugar-free caramel syrup. For me, I love this stuff. And then we got these caramel coconut cookies. They taste just like the coconut Girl Scout cookies. And then off-brand Oreos. We always get off-brand if we're using them like in a dessert. And then strawberry cream wafer cookies. We got all this junk food for my sister and her friends coming over later. Chocolate chips for some cookies, and then stuff to make s'mores. So of course you gotta have Hershey's chocolate. And then peach pie filling and apple pie filling for a recipe we wanna try later. And then strawberry cake mix, because my sister loves to make cake mix cookies. They're delicious. Some corn chips, and then some mini pretzel twists. And then we just got some paper products for them to have at the party. Make it nice and easy on the dishwasher. And then we also got some French fries to do with our burgers for dinner. And we got some soda for the girls and grape juice. It's always nice to have on hand. And whipped topping. We got some crescent rolls for dinner and cinnamon rolls. Those are really nice and easy for a good breakfast. And then of course we got some yummy orange juice and some milk. And butter and margarine is always nice to have on hand. And then we also got some sausages and hot dogs if the girls wanted to roast them on the campfire later. And then we got some Lay's wavy chips and Rice Krispies cereal to make Rice Krispie treats for the girls. And then we got eggs. And that's all we got at our Walmart and Sam's Club pickup order. All right, now it's time to get back to work. I'm starting in our extra bathroom here. It's connected to our game room where I cleaned earlier, and I'm just getting it all nice and clean. So the cleaner that I'm using in my spray bottle, which is almost out, it's Pine Sol and water. I love the smell of Pine Sol. I always have loved the smell of Pine Sol. And then this little scrubber brush that I'm using, it also has a little dispenser on it that I filled with dish soap and vinegar. As you can see, I did get water on myself. It is always going to happen if I'm cleaning a shower. It seems to always happen to me where I get water or I stain a shirt with cleaner or something. It's just a given. And this glass shower gets a lot of buildup from the water, but the vinegar and dish soap really helps cut that. Then after I scrubbed the shower down with my little mixture, I just rinsed it off and it was ready to go. Now for the bottom of the shower, I wanted to use Barkeeper's Friend on it because Barkeeper's Friend helps it to really get that grime off and keeps it really nice and white. So I knew that it was safe to use on the floor of the shower. I just scrub it down and then I let it sit for a few minutes before I rinse it out. And now I'm just doing a quick little wipe down of the lighting and the mirror and getting that all clean, and then wiping down the hand towel holder Sometimes that gets really dusty. And then also wiping down everything on the sink, and then the sink itself and the stuff around the bottom of the sink, and then the wainscoting on the wall and all of the baseboard as well, getting this all scrubbed up and clean. I vacuumed these rugs that were in here, and now after I mopped, I'm placing them back in their place. And I can also put a fresh new scent in our wax warmer, which is also one of my favorite things to do after I'm done cleaning the bathroom. But I took out this old scent, I soaked it up with a cotton round, and I'm placing a brand new scent. I like the sweet pea wax cubes, and it smells wonderful. So I thought I would do a quick little dusting and vacuuming in my room, and it's crazy to me how dusty my room gets. We live close to a dairy, and so it seems like with the moving of cows right across the street that it just always has the dust stirred up. And so our furniture gets extremely dusty. So I have to constantly be wiping down my white furniture because you can see the dust so easily on this furniture. But I absolutely love the white furniture, so I'm not complaining. It's just a little bit more of a chore, but I'm completely fine with it. Also, if you would be interested in watching a room organizational video or a closet organizational video, I will link both of those down in the description box below. I recently have uploaded those to this channel, and if you would be interested in those, go and check them out after this video. So when we moved into this house about 14 years ago, I chose the colors for my room, and pink and purple was my absolute two favorite colors. And pink is still my favorite color, but me and my sister, she shares a room with me, but we are ready to do a room makeover. We're thinking we're going to go with a little bit more of subtle paint color. So we are brainstorming about that and seeing what we can come up with and getting ready to switch things up. So definitely stay tuned for that to come in the near future whenever we get some more time and money to do a room makeover. We're super excited. Someone recently asked me how I find the energy and the motivation to clean, and the truth is I love to clean, but I don't always feel like cleaning just like everyone else. But if I do need to clean and I need to be motivated, I like to watch a cleaning video by some of my favorites. I love to watch Hannah's Happy Home, and I love to watch Love Meg and a few others that I can link down below. But it helps get me motivated to do the cleaning that I need to do. So if this whole clean with me video idea is brand new to you, why don't you give it a try and see if it works for you? I know that watching others clean motivates me to want to do the exact same. I am the type of person that after I use a purse, when I come home, after I'm done using it, I like to empty it out, clean it out, get the trash out, and then I like to put it in something else until I'm ready to switch it into a different purse. It just is just how I like to do things. So I bought this little like $3 bin at Ross, and I'm using it to store all of my purse stuff while I'm in between purses. And now I am on the last step of this room, which is vacuuming it. I love the feeling that you get when you vacuum a room and how the carpet just feels so soft again. I don't know, something about it. It just makes me feel like I've done a huge clean on the room, even though I really haven't. I just did a quick dusting and wiped down the mirrors and just a quick vacuum, but it really, really changes the feel of the room. Well, that is it. That's all I have today for this cleaning video. Thanks so much for hanging out with me while I clean, And I hope that you got motivated or that you got some cleaning done while watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can be alerted whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me at Courtney's Lens so we can become even better friends there.